It is the most wonderful time of the year, alt season. This is the time where life changing gains are made in crypto, maybe even life changing losses. But nobody likes losses. That's why we made this video. I think this video just might be what you need, either to learn something new or maybe just a refresher on trading altcoins. Because we all know those gains do not last forever, and you always got to manage them properly. So stay tuned while I give you some crypto free alpha, and let's send it. Oh, hey, what's up? What's going on? My name is John here, your host on Currency.com's channel, and I'm here to give you an important video if you trade crypto or if you're looking to trade altcoins. And all I'm gonna need from you is your time and attention, and one more thing right here. So if you're watching this right now and you're new, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and as well, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Make sure you like this video if it does help you out, or if you just wanna show your support to the channel, because that does help us out in the YouTube algorithm. And it also even helps other people out to find our videos. As you can see, we post so much content for you guys. Weekly crypto analysis and also crypto education on trading crypto, everything crypto. If you are even more into crypto, you can find my Twitter. Just search @RealJohnDoe on Twitter. Follow me there as well for much more crypto tweets and some more info that can also help you out with your trading. Now let's talk about exactly what you came here for. So the first thing we're going to talk about is, number one, what is an altcoin and how do you find the right altcoin to trade? So what is an altcoin and how do you trade an altcoin? So altcoins are anything alternative to Bitcoin. If you go on whatever exchange you're using, you will see most likely under the cryptos, you will see Bitcoin, and also you will see much other cryptos listed, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and all of those extras are considered altcoins. As you can see here on Currency.com, there is a list of altcoins, and Bitcoin is the main. And another good website to help you find altcoins to trade is coinmarketcap.com. That's where you can go as well and find tons of cryptos. There are thousands of them, but not all of them are actually tradable. By that, there's many factors, which is the next thing we're going to talk about is risk. But for this example, for this video, the altcoin that we will be using to trade, let's go for example, and let's use Dogecoin. Okay, number two will be risk. Managing your risk. Do you need to use leverage or no leverage? So now we have an altcoin picked out that we want to trade. Dogecoin, everybody knows it. Quite a bit of liquidity. It's available on the exchange. Now let's talk about exactly the risk for Dogecoin. Is Dogecoin a high risk trade? For example, is a team going to rug pull and it won't be tradable? Or is it high risk for it to be delisted from exchanges? And as well, how is the volatility? Do you need to use leverage when you're trading it? Since cryptos are volatile and most crypto exchanges offer leverage, that does not mean you actually need leverage to trade that altcoin. It all depends on how you're managing your position sizes and what exactly you're trading. So if you're trading something like Bitcoin, you can use low leverage. But if you're trading something like Dogecoin, you don't want to use 20 or 10 times leverage with a full size position of your whole account, because you will get liquidated. So the risk for Dogecoin, what is the volatility like? For example, here we can have these breakouts up about 15%. That's all within 24 hours, and it can drop down. This is 2 days, roughly 10%. So that is a highly volatile asset. So the risk for this is something higher. The leverage is not required, and you will need to manage your position. If you are using leverage, do not use your whole account when trading altcoins that are volatile. Now, number three is your trading time frame. Are you looking for low time frame scalps or long-term swing trades? Or even are you just a long-term hodler? Okay, so now the time frame that you want to trade the altcoin. So we're looking at Dogecoin right now. If you look here on the 1 hour, it is pretty volatile, and you will get chopped up quite a bit if you are trading this on a 1 hour time frame. But let's scale up, or actually first let's scale down, because people who are new to trading crypto and altcoins like to look at the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame. But let me show you something on how that looks like. So if you're looking here, this is the 5 minute time frame, and realistically, unless you're using bots or you're really pro, this is not tradable for any new traders, just because the volatility, and you will get chopped up. For example, right here, if you were to buy here and you see that 7% jump, you won't know whether to take profit there. But as you can see, that whole move gets erased within the next 24 hours. And the trading ranges here on the 5 minute time frame, they are much wider. So you have to look out for getting chopped up, and your stop losses need to be wider. And long term, trading something like this 5-minute time frame is not going to be profitable for you. And this is not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on my experiences and what I know from these charts. Now let's look at something bigger. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame for Dogecoin. So if you were trading the 4-hour time frame, and that means every 4 hours is one of these candles is where you enter or exit your trades. As you can see, it is less volatile, and you will actually take less trades. And more trades does not mean more profit. More trades just means more work, realistically, more screen time, because you could catch that one move that gives you 30% versus those 30 trades or 50 trades that you've taken that chop you up so much to just gain 30% on your whole account. So when you scale up to longer time frames, they give you a better outlook on the trend, and you won't get chopped up as much. You won't get chopped up as much. For example, if you were to buy here at this support Dogecoin, you could stay in that same trade, still continue it on until now, which is almost 2 weeks now. And that would give you a 20% gain versus if you were trying to trade this within the past 2 weeks on a 5-minute or small time frame, you most likely would have got chopped up. And I'm only saying this because majority of people watching this video will be new traders. And new traders, a lot of people like the smaller time frame because it feels good to be trading on a small time frame and making money. But realistically, it will not work out in the long term unless you are a pro or you have bots, trading bots that can trade for you, because you would literally have to sit there all day to make the same amount of gains that you could in one trade on a longer time frame. If you are new to trading altcoins, your best bet will be to trade the daily chart. The daily is more clear on the trends, and it keeps you out of getting chopped up. But you gotta have diamond hands. You gotta sit on your hands. There's a lot of doing nothing. You can see the price falling for weeks and weeks and weeks, and you need to learn not to buy in until your trigger point hits. And that's what we're talking about in the next topic, which is your trading strategy. Now, number 4, we have trading strategy. How exactly are you going to take your trading approach using moving averages, breakouts, and what exactly is your plan for taking profit? So we're looking here on the daily chart, trading strategy. What exactly is that? That's exactly what it means, is your plan for how you're going to trade your altcoin. Are you looking for these crazy 1,000% gains? Well, that could be a strategy. And with that, that means you need quite a bit of luck on your side, and you need a bit of looking for different altcoins for potential moves to the upside. And if you're looking for 1,000% gains and stuff like that, to be honest, this video ain't for you, because I'm just showing you how to trade altcoins and stay committed to that one altcoin and be positioned better for when price moves upwards and downwards. And most exchanges won't have hundreds of coins that are moving thousands of percent. So now, trading strategy, what exactly you're looking for. So that's one strategy, is looking for those moonshots. Another one is something that is more stable, and that is buying moving average crossovers. And that is when price crosses over important moving average levels such as 50 and the 21 and the 200 period. So you could use the 200 as a flip of the trend, and you use 50 and 20 for momentum and take profit levels. Currently right now, Dogecoin is just about to touch that 200 day moving average. It tested it. So we could have a flip of the trend here coming anytime soon, and that will bring us in this next trading range here. And you could also use another trading strategy, such other than moving average crossovers. You can use something like overbought and oversold levels while price is either at support or while price is approaching resistance levels. And don't worry, we also have more videos on the channel that can teach you exactly what these mean, support, resistance, and all that good stuff. So make sure you have a look at those videos if you are a little bit confused right now. And support and resistance levels are good levels to look at for when you take profit, and also when you want to exit your trade in a loss or just a stop loss if you are trailing a stop loss. Typically, you want to put your stop loss below important support levels, and your take profit, you would want them at resistance levels. And once you see that resistance flipped into support, that's where you would re-enter for that next move up, approaching to that next resistance level. So now that we covered all those points, we have the last thing here, which will be an example that I will show you on the chart of all the things we covered, mix it all into one, and show you exactly how you can play out an altcoin trade. So at the end of your trade, you manage your profit and your loss well, and you're not having crazy FOMO or feeling really bad about your trade. Remember, profit is profit, and that is the goal when trading altcoins. Okay, so now let me show you a trade example here on Dogecoin. So for example, let's go all the way back here. I have the 4-hour chart right now, 4-hour time frame. This line right here is a 200 period moving average on the 4-hour. And these two here are the 50 and the 21. So with this trading strategy, if you're using moving average crossovers, you would not buy Dogecoin at all until price finds a support level and then flips these moving averages into support, starts trading above them, and then you see some sort of reversal with price trading above them. And then the final crossover would be price above all three moving averages. And if you look here on Dogecoin, that's exactly what happened here in August. So here in August, you can see Dogecoin found a support and then it started trending above the moving averages. And right here was when it had that major crossover point, and look exactly what happened after that. So if you're using your trading strategy, look at that. You would have waited months and months with no position in Dogecoin, and then you would have waited until here in August to enter. And avoiding trading all of this here, which could have been a potential big loss, and you waited for this next entry point right here. That was confirmation for price breaking out, and price did run up about 71%. And that's all in 10 days. So you waited a few months of doing nothing to hold for 10 days and gain about 71% on Dogecoin. And these two moving averages are good for exit strategies because you can see when price comes back to test them, you can look at that as a take profit level. So that's a nice and easy trade right there. Patience and then execution and then take profit. And then you follow that same plan as time goes on. There's a lot more to show you guys on trading altcoins. Have a look at the channel for more videos. I'll be posting more and more. But I hope this one gave you just enough info so you could be wanting more. Well, that's it. We're done with this video. I hope you learned something. And before taking off, if you found this video helpful, don't leave before hitting that like button. For myself and the team, it takes a lot of effort to put these videos together for you guys. If you have any requests, maybe just leave them down below in the comments. We'll have a look at them for our next round of crypto education videos. And I'll see you next time. I hope this video really did help you out with your trades. And remember, my name is John here with Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.